Hey there, my name is Peter and I want to take a minute to talk to you about mindfulness in the kitchen. I think a lot of the attention on mindful living today is focused on meditation, yoga, and spiritual retreats and things like that. But I like to find ways that we can ground the basic concepts of mindfulness into the most basic activities in our everyday lives, such as the food we eat and how it's prepared. The first thing to take into consideration when we talk about mindfulness in the kitchen is selecting the right ingredients. We want to make sure we're eating healthy, clean food. I would recommend a plant-based diet exclusively, if not predominantly. And we also want to make sure that we're buying ingredients that are grown as locally as possible so we have less of a carbon footprint on the things we're eating. The next thing to take into consideration is our intentions. I think that our intentions can be easily transferred from our bodies into the food we prepare. So we want to start out with a very positive mindset and be focused on our end goal, which is to produce very nutritious, energetic, clean food for ourselves, for our families, and for other people. And the other thing that I like to keep in mind is that cooking can be a very enjoyable and meditative activity. So I like to stay really focused on the process of preparing the ingredients, cutting, chopping, stirring, adding spices, mixing flavors. So if we can do that, if we can choose clean, fresh, healthy ingredients, if we can keep our intentions in the right place and think positively, and if we really focus on the process of preparing food, then it's more than likely that the end results will be very positive. We'll prepare nutritious, healthy, energetic meals for ourselves, for our families, for our loved ones. And this has a tremendous impact, not just on our physical well-being, but also on our emotional and spiritual well-being. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.